Hello guys, I have a great unboxing. This Zippo is, just got it through the mail. One I've been excited for. Pretty well packaged, pretty dense. Should just be one Zippo, but invoice. I paid, let's see, $30, $41 after tax. So pretty well shipped, definitely. So this is not the original box. This is Dead Family, but that has no relation to this Zippo. And there it is. So, this Zippo, I believe, is called Decisions. You see it moves. Free spinning. Ask a question and give it a spin. I believe this is a 2002. Yep. So 2002 Zippo. Lay it flat. Give it a spin. Fired. Beautiful Zippo though. This one I'm actually, funny enough, gonna keep in my rotation. This is gonna be a pocket carry Zippo. So I'm gonna replace the flint and then put it with the collection. Thanks for watching, guys. Deuces.